The global economy has officially shifted. If you think your 9-to-5 job is the safest bet in 2026, I'm here to tell you it's now the riskiest move you can make. Ladder anymore, it's about owning the ladder itself. You need to own the systems. So, if you're ready to break free and build real wealth, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the 6 most lucrative online businesses that are absolutely crushing it in the USA, the UK, and all across the Western world this year. These are the digital gold mines you need to know about. Let's get started. We aren't talking about get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about high-leverage digital assets. From AI integration to decentralized commerce, these 6 models are where the smart capital is moving right now. Let's dive in. Number 1. AI automation agencies, AAA. In 2026, Western businesses are desperate to cut overhead. They don't want more employees. They want intelligent workflows. If you can build custom AI agents that handle lead gen, customer retention, or data analysis, you aren't just a freelancer, you're a strategic partner. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry in North America right now. Freelancing has evolved into solopreneurship. In the UK and Australia, the demand for high-tier specialized talent is at an all-time high, but the middle ground is gone. You are either a commodity or an expert. In 2026, clients pay for outcomes, not hours worked. Freelancing has evolved into solopreneurship. In the UK and Australia, the demand for high-tier specialized talent is at an all-time high, but the middle ground is gone. You are either a commodity or an expert. In 2026, clients pay for outcomes, not hours worked. To survive in the Western market, you must master 2 things: AI augmentation and deep niche authority. Stop being a generalist. Become the person who solves a specific $10,000 problem for a specific industry. That is how you command premium rates. To survive in the Western market, you must master 2 things: AI augmentation and deep niche authority. Stop being a generalist. Become the person who solves a specific $10,000 problem for a specific industry. That is how you command premium rates. Your personal brand is your digital insurance. In a world of AI-generated noise, humans crave authenticity. A strong personal brand allows you to pivot industries instantly and protects you from economic downturns. It's the highest ROI asset you will ever own. E-commerce has moved beyond basic dropshipping. In 2026, it's all about hyper-personalization and local hubs. Consumers in the US and Canada want sustainability and lightning-fast delivery. Successful brands now focus on community-led commerce rather than just cold ads. Digital products remain the holy grail of business. No shipping, no inventory, and nearly 100% profit margins. In 2026, the global e-learning and digital asset market has surpassed trillion-dollar valuations. Digital products are intangible assets. Think specialized SaaS templates, proprietary datasets, exclusive masterminds, or AI-driven workflows. It's about packaging your unique knowledge into a file that can be sold 1,000,000 times over without extra cost. Ready to build your own digital empire? Our CME program is designed for the modern entrepreneur. We give you the exact framework to build, launch, and scale digital assets specifically for the high-ticket Western markets. Finally, affiliate marketing. But in 2026, we've moved to high-ticket ecosystems. Instead of $5 commissions, we're targeting $500 to $5,000 commissions by promoting sophisticated software and high-end consulting services. It's about quality of traffic over quantity. The digital landscape of 2026 waits for no one. You can either be a spectator watching others build wealth, or you can be the architect of your own financial future. The strategies we've discussed today are exactly what we deep dive into right here on Next Gen Income, to give you the high leverage insights you need to dominate the Western markets and build a life of true freedom. If you're ready to stop trading time for pennies and start building scalable digital assets, then you're in the right place. Call to action transition. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. Don't miss our upcoming breakdowns on AI implementation and high-ticket sales strategies designed for the 2026 economy. Check the links in the description for our exclusive resources and join our growing community of modern entrepreneurs. I'm your host from Next Gen Income, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's build your legacy.